Hi guys, another Playmobil Kinder Egg. Superman one again today. Anyways, let's see. Here it is, DC Playmobil. Anyways, I got the Aquaman yesterday, so hoping Batman today and no repeats because that will be really annoying and irritating. Anyways, let's see. And we started off so well as well. Hopefully if we can get 5 out of 16 today. Because it's the 5th Playmobil egg I've opened this year. Alright, let's see. It's with a curve. Okay, it's with a curve again. Please be Batman. Yes! Wonder Woman! Yes, I know. It's actually Wonder Woman. Here it is. Oh, here it is. We got Wonder Woman today. Anyways, see the instructions. Although I've managed to build it without it. We got Wonder Woman today. I'm happy.